I took my camera gear and this particular lens to um, my trip to Europe, and so it was really cold there, and it was really windy, and also it was raining on some days. So the lens got really dirty, and when I came back 4 months ago, I couldn't get a chance to clean the lens or buy something to clean this lens with. So recently I went to JB Hi-Fi and bought this LensPen that was recommended by the salesperson. And so this is the first time I'm going to use it. The LensPen itself is 12 Australian dollars, which isn't that much. So it looks like a proper pen, which has a brush on one side and a cleaning thing on the second side. So I'm going to test this product on my Sigma 35 millimeter f1.4 lens for Nikon, and let's see how it goes. So the application is very simple. You just use the brush to wipe off the dust, and then you use the other side to clean the lens. So the lens is looking very clean and in really good condition. It didn't scratch the surface of the lens, which is a good thing. Very happy with the product. For now, take care and have a good one.